First, I will explain the project structure. This file is used for to run the project, and then this is configure file where, like you said, you wanted to keep your secret key and other stuff, like where the database is and everything related to it. Then this is the env. I don't think there is an issue. This is a migration. I will explain in a bit. Instance, this is the database which contains all the models data, and this is our main app folder which contains all the logic and files. Authentication folder contains the logics and models related to authentication. Then there is main. This contains all the other logic related to CMS like project, task, and everything. Then this folder contains the styling sheet like this CSS, and then this is template contains all the templates, and then this is init file. Any app you create, you need to register it here, so you can use it. Even if I create a new folder and want to introduce a new logic, I have to register it here, otherwise it will not work. This file extensions.py is for database initiating, and then this routes file, it's not used here right now, but you can create like homepage route here. Okay, first of all, we will start with authentication. To run this authentication, you need to create model, and I created a user model which contains only ID, name, and password. ID is integer field, others are string fields. Of course, they cannot be null, so null label is false on them. And then I created form for registration and login. There are routes. First of all, there is a route for registration, and this contains all the logic for like registration. Post trigger gets those data, verifies them. Like name must be between characters limit. Then there is password limit as well, and password does not matches. Like in if we go to sign up, it contains two fields. It has to match, and this logic is for that and everything. Then there is login. It checks, gets the name and password, checks if password is password not given, and then it checks for the user exists in the database. Then checks the password, and if it does, move to the home page. Otherwise, give error. And then this is a simple logout page, logout functionality, and that's it for authentication. And in templates, we are using template extending. The base template is here. Okay, and I have included links here, bootstrap link, and then sorry, this was extra. This is just the footer, and this is the nav bar. You can change it however you want, and this template is extended in both login and register. This is template extending, and similarly, the structure is with main folder. This contains all the logic related to showing that project. For that, we need to create models. First of all, project model, like it contains name, description, task, and foreign keys to to show who is working on the task. And then this is a task. All that related with title, description, status, and project ID. And of course, user. It's linked to the user as well. So this is foreign key. And then there are routes. This is for home page where we are showing all the projects. And then to add project, it gets those data and just adds it. Then edit project, and the similar delete project. If this is for detail of one project, like if I just sign in now, this project, and this is a detail page. This is for that, and add task. This one, this is whole for that as well. Then this is for edit task and of course delete task as well. So this is the whole thing, and then these are templates for all the projects related stuff.